Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Shopify. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize your store pages beyond the standard templates, whether you're embedding custom forms, adding special styling, or integrating third-party tools directly into your content. Let's start by heading over to your browser and navigating to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now that you're logged in and viewing your homepage, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, click on Online Store. This section is where you control everything related to your storefront's appearance and content, from themes to blog posts and individual pages. Under the Online Store section, you'll see several options appear. Click on Pages. This is where all your custom pages live, whether they're about pages, contact forms, or any other static content you've created for your store. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click the Add Page button. This will open up a new page editor where you can begin building your custom page with HTML code. You'll see two main fields here. First, input a title for your page in the title field. This could be anything like custom form or special offer depending on what your HTML code is for. Then, move down to the content area. Here's the important part. Click on the Show HTML icon. This icon typically looks like angle brackets or might be labeled with HTML, and clicking it switches the editor from visual mode to code mode, allowing you to paste raw HTML directly. Now, if you already have your HTML code prepared, simply copy it from wherever you've saved it, then paste it directly into the content field. The editor will now display your raw HTML code, rather than a visual preview, which is exactly what you want for this type of customization. Once your code is in place, look over to the right side of the screen under the Visibility section. Click on Visible. This ensures that your page will be accessible to visitors once it's published, rather than remaining hidden as a draft. After setting the visibility, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. Shopify will process this and store your new page with the embedded HTML code. Before you finish, it's always smart to preview your work. At the top of the page, click Preview. This will open your page in a new tab showing you exactly how the HTML code renders on your live site. You can check if everything displays correctly and that all your custom elements are working as intended. And that's it. You've successfully added HTML code to your Shopify store, giving you greater control over your page's functionality and design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.